After the fire has passed, check the roof immediately and put out any roof fires, sparks, or embers. Check the attic for burning sparks. Maintain a fire watch for several hours after the fire, rechecking for smoke and sparks around the house. If you evacuated, do not enter your home until fire officials say it is safe. Use caution when entering burned areas, as hazards may still exist, including hotspots which can flare up without warning. If you detect heat or smoke when entering a damaged building, leave immediately. Watch animals closely and keep them under your direct control. Hidden embers and hotspots could burn their paws or hooves. Follow public health guidance on safe cleanup of fire ash and use of masks. Wet debris to minimize breathing dust particles. Wear leather gloves and heavy-soled shoes to protect your hands and feet. Cleaning products, paint, batteries, and damaged fuel containers need to be disposed of properly to avoid risk. Discard any food that has been exposed to heat, smoke, or soot. Do not use water that may be contaminated to wash dishes, brush teeth, prepare food, wash hands, make ice, or make baby formula. Even if you never experience a wildfire, being informed can help keep you, your family, and your property safe. Know the emergency plans for your area. Understand and be aware of post-wildfire hazards, primarily flooding and landslides. Wildfires leave the ground charred, barren, and unable to absorb water. As rainwater moves across charred ground, it can pick up soil, sediment, debris, and ash, carrying it in a stream of floodwaters. The risk remains significantly higher until vegetation is restored, up to 5 years after a wildfire. An excellent resource for more information on fire safety is FireWise. www.firewise.org. FireWise offers classes and educational materials. Learn to live FireWise at ein.az.gov.